Welcome all. This is Think Well channel. I am Professor Sunita Bandekar. Just wanted to give a thought to the suicidal uh, case of Sushant Singh Rajput. This is really a big, you can say, loss to a family as well as for the film uh, fraternity. But so many people are responsible to create this situation, and we can't just blame one or two people. As a society, we are also, we may have not thought like, uh, what can we do, but this is the time now. We have to think, we have to fight back, we have to bounce back. The person, a common person who wants to excel in life, who generally got into everything to make the things as proudable, as remarkable, as big and great. And the same attempt, efforts was taken by Sushant Singh. We lack as a society, as a, we can say, uh, we are all middle class society. We are not from higher income group, we are not from very poor background. These both communities, they have their own way of supporting each other, but the middle class society, we have so many dreams, emotions, and we need to think about how we can support, how we can deal, how we can manage, how we can really help each other when we are growing to the excellence, when we are striving hard to do something new. Uh, so many of us are really creative, innovative, but we don't get social support, social name, fame. Even most of time it's like we are just running behind, we are following the established one. We don't know what we get from them, we just don't get anything. But we lack in supporting the newcomer, the beginner, and he has more energy to give, he has more energy to explore and experiment his career, his work. But we don't support that way, the way we should. As a society, we should really help each other. When a person from a common background, from the middle class humble background, is coming up, is coming above, and challenging the whole fraternity to reform, to go for the change, to do something really worthy, in that case it is our duty to really support this kind of person, professional. As I always say, my mentor is Mr. Ratan Tata. Do you know right now what Mr. Ratan Tata does? He only funds more to the beginner, the one who has energy, who has new concept, who has new idea, and he wants that person to grow. He wants, why? Because this person is going to contribute more for society in future. He is nothing to lose. He is striving so hard to gain something, to give something. And that is the way we should support, we should help each other. And this is the lesson from Sushant Singh Rajput societal case, that we should help each other. We should not uh, just wait that this let that person be a star, then we will follow him. Let be a part to make him a star, by your appreciation, by your clapping, by your appraisal, by your support, by your feedback, by your comments, so that that person can actually inspiration from hundred of people who are striving, who are looking for to become somebody from the common middle class background. That's our duty. Let us let us take an oath that we will become a part of new revolution, where we want to develop, where we want to evoke a new economy, a new system, where the person from a very common background will get more courage, more appreciation from society, from common people. And I think some other part, like emotional part, relationship part, was also challenging for Sushant. Because of 3 4 failures, he couldn't get a person to understand, to get him that support, that anything can be possible, you will come out of this. He could lack that for that moment, and that's why he might have done this very wrong step. If we want that no other Sushant should take this kind of step in society, we have to be alert, aware, and we have to be open minded to support and to go against establish a system who is trying to exploit, who is trying to dominate, who is trying to overpower the new talent. This is our responsibility also. I hope this thought you will nurture and you will really try to contribute in this manner. Thank you so much for listening and for getting associate with me. Thank you.